Let's read French. In this series, today we are going to see how to pronounce GR plus a vowel. GR and vowels. Hi, this is Camille Morin from French Pearl with Kamal, your French teacher. So like always, I ask you to repeat after me so that you get the correct pronunciation, and if you need any help, you can contact me. GR, 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 gra, gra, gre, gre, gris, gris, gros, gros, gru, gru. G-R-A, gras, gras, grave, grave, gre, gre, grenouille, grenouille, gris, gris, grimace, grimace, gros, gros. The word itself is gros, meaning fat. You don't pronounce the S. Gru, gru, gruyère, gruyère. So see you in the next lesson. Until then, au revoir et à bientôt. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.